Have you ever wanted to turn any room into a movie theater in seconds? With the JMGO N1S Infinity 4K projector, you can. This is the ultimate projector with a cool gimbal function that lets you point it anywhere. Walls, ceilings, you name it, and it fixes the picture quality all by itself. You'll see super bright and colorful 4K movies right at home. In this video, we'll dive into all the awesome features of this projector and you'll learn how it makes movie nights easy and super fun. A few weeks ago, I received the JMGO N1S Infinity 4K projector. The packaging was slick and professional. As I opened the box, I found the projector securely nested in foam padding. Alongside were the remote control, power cable and a user manual. Lifting the projector out, I was surprised by its weight. Approximately 9.9 pounds, 4.5 kilos. Not too heavy, but it feels solid and well built. The dimensions are 9.4 inches in length, about 8 inches in width and 9.2 inches in height. So it's compact enough to fit on a shelf or a coffee table, and light enough for you to take outside and have a possibly movie night with your friends outside. The design immediately caught my eye. I couldn't wait to see how it performs and whether it lives up to its promised specifications. But does the design and build quality of a projector really make a difference? Well, this JMGO N1S Infinity has a modern, minimalistic design. The build quality feels premium. One of the standout features is the integrated gimbal design. This allows the projector to tilt up to 135 degrees and rotate 360 degrees. This flexibility makes it easy to project onto walls, ceilings, or screens without needing additional mounts or tripods. Regarding ventilation, the projector has cleverly designed air vents onto the sides and back for effective cooling. The built-in fan operates quietly, with a noise level of less than 26 decibels, which means it shouldn't interfere with your viewing experience. So imagine, you're setting up for a backyard movie night with friends. The sun is setting, popcorn is ready, and you pull out the star of the night, the JMGO N1S Infinity projector. As you power it on, the magic begins. This isn't just any projector. It's built with triple color laser technology, delivering 4K Ultra HD resolution at stunning clarity, even as the last daylight fades. Its 2450 ISO lumens of brightness make sure your movie stays vivid and bright. And the colors? Well, thanks to covering 110% of BT 2020, every scene pops to life, just like in real cinema. Here's where it gets even cooler. With a smart gimbal design, you don't need to struggle with setup. Tilt it towards the wall, the ceiling, or even a tent flap, and it automatically adjusts the picture. No hassle, just perfect alignment every time. Plus, with the Google TV and native Netflix support, you have over 10,000 apps ready to stream. For sound, the built-in Dolby-certified speakers really make a difference. And whether it's a gaming console, Blu-ray player, or headphones, the HDMI 2.1 port with eARC, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 gives you every connection you need. So whether you're camping, having a courtyard movie night, or turning your living room into a cinema, the JMGO Infinity is ready to bring the experience to life. The best part, with its 30,000 hour triple laser lifespan, it'll be your movie night companion for years. Regarding the cooling system, this projector uses an efficient cooling design to prevent overheating. The low noise level is a plus, especially during quiet movie scenes. So with its thoughtful design and robust specifications, the JMGO Infinity seems promising. But how does it really perform in real-world use? Is setting up and using this projector as seamless as it promises? Well, for me, setting up the JMGO Infinity was straightforward. I placed it on my table and used the gimbal design to fit it towards my projector screen. The auto keystone correction and the autofocus feature kicked in, adjusting the image to be sharp and properly aligned. The projector's smart features include intelligent obstacle avoidance and screen fitting. Thanks to its 3D TOF sensors, this means it can detect objects on the wall and adjust the image to avoid them. Navigating the interface was smooth. Thanks to the Google TV operating system, having built-in Netflix is convenient, eliminating the need for external streaming devices. The remote control is simple with a built-in microphone for voice commands through the Google Assistant setup. During operation, the projector remained relatively quiet. The fan noise was minimal, and I didn't even notice it in a silent room. The unit did get warm after a few hours, but the cooling system seems effective in preventing any overheating. So far, the setup and user experience are positive. But what about picture and sound quality? Does the projector deliver on its promise for exceptional picture and sound quality? I tested the projector in a dimly lit room, playing 4K HDR movie. The image was sharp with vibrant colors and good contrast, and details were clear. In brighter conditions, the 2450 ISO lumens helped maintain a watchable image, though for the best experience, a dark room is much better. For gaming, I connected my console through the HDMI 2.1 port. The low input lag made for a responsive gaming experience. And the large screen size was amazing. The 10-watt speakers were decent for casual viewing. The sound was clear, and the Dolby Audio and DTS certifications ensured good audio processing. However, for a more immersive experience, especially for movies and games, I recommend connecting to external speakers or a soundbar through the HDMI eARC port. But for me, I've used it now for a couple of weeks and I haven't connected any external soundbar, and I've used it almost every night for movies. And honestly, I have a whole Sonos setup, but I didn't feel the need of connecting it yet. Overall, the picture quality is immersive for a projector in this class. And while the built-in speakers are only 10 watts, this audio enhances the experience. So do the smart features and connectivity options add real value? The Google TV interface provides access to a wide range of apps beyond Netflix, including YouTube, Disney Plus, and more. The interface is user-friendly and the voice search through Google Assistant is handy. The dual HDMI 2.1 ports allow for multiple devices to be connected simultaneously, like a gaming console and a soundbar. The USB-A port can be used for media playback from external drives, but my personal tip would be getting a USB hub with an Ethernet port, so you can connect the Ethernet cable and have a stable connection. While Wi-Fi 6 ensures a stable and fast internet connection, an Ethernet port is always better for streaming high-resolution content without any buffering. So in my opinion, the smart features and connectivity make the projector very convenient for various use cases. So after all this, is the JMGO Infinity the right projector for you? Well, after spending a few weeks with the JMGO, I find it to be a strong contender in the 4K projector market. The image quality is excellent, and the design features like the gimbal and smart adjustments make it user-friendly. However, there are a few considerations. It's set at a premium price, so there might be a cheaper option in the market you can consider. The processor and the 2 GB of RAM seems a bit outdated. I would have preferred to have a newer processor with a 4 GB of RAM setup, but for those who value convenience, smart features, and a slick design, it's a great option. If low pricing or absolute more gigabyte RAM is top priority, you might consider other options. But in my opinion, the JMGO offers a great balance of performance, design, and features, making it worth considering. I used it almost every night for a couple of weeks now, and I am so amazed and so happy with it. I'm watching every movie, every TV show, and even live TV on it. And my experience is from a Samsung 85-inch mini LED TV that came out in the late 2023. So it's a premium TV, but now I rather use this projector on a daily basis because the viewing experience is just so amazing. So after seeing this, are you thinking about getting one? Here's what you need to know. The JMGO Infinity is available through the JMGO official website and authorized retailers. As of now, it retails at around $1,799, which is competitive for a 4K laser projector with these features. Keep an eye out for promotions. Check out the links in the description for the current deals. So if these features align with your needs and budget, the JMGO Infinity 4K could be a solid addition to your home entertainment setup. So that being said, this video has come to an end. As always, feel free to ask any questions or feedback in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and goodbye.